Hello everyone, today we're going to be making some delicious vegan friendly banana bread. It's really simple, there's not many ingredients, so let's take a look at what we're going to need and let's get started. So for this recipe we're going to be using 3 black bananas, 75 grams of vegetable oil, 100 grams of brown sugar, 225 grams of self-raising flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of mixed spice, and that is it. Now, if your bananas aren't black either, don't worry, because I've had mine for a couple of weeks now and they still haven't quite got there. You can put them in the oven for about 5 minutes with the skins on and they'll soon blacken up. And there we go, as if by magic. Let them cool down before we move on to the next step. So the first thing we're going to do is peel our bananas and we're going to mash them up with a fork. So nice and simple, just give them a good mash down until they're all really nicely mashed. And there we go, it should look something like this. Yummy! Next in goes the oil. And the brown sugar. And we're going to give it a good mix around. Okay, next in is the flour. In it goes, the baking powder goes in, and last but not least the mixed spice. And we're going to give it another good mix. Now you can add other things if you like. You can add some fruits, raisins would probably be nice. You can add coconut, you can add nuts if you like. I'm just going to do a simple basic banana bread. You can add whatever you like to it. All that's left to do is prepare the tin. All that's left to do now is to line your tin and get the oven on. You want it on 200 degrees. Now it can be quite tricky to line your tin, so what I like to do is measure it just about right, and then if you cut the corners it makes it easy to get in. Once that's done, we're going to put the bread mixture in. And then just smooth it out all around so it gets right to the edges. And then you're going to put it in the oven for 20 minutes and then you're going to take it out, we're going to cover it in foil and we're going to cook it for another 20. Once the timer is done, insert a knife, and if it comes out clean, then it's cooked. If not, put it back in the oven and keep checking on it every couple of minutes. All that's left to do now is let it cool and then we can try some. And I can't wait. You can really taste the banana. And just the hint of the ground and the mixed spices in there makes it lovely. And there we have it. Thank you very much for watching. Leave a like rating if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to see more and I'll see you next time for more recipes. Goodbye.